Good morning, everybody. It is February 21st, and here's the plan of attack. And if you're unaware, that is basically my plan on how I'm looking to day trade 0 days to expiration SPX options and ES futures. And the way I like to go about it is the way I really feel I get an edge in this is really having the ability to forecast how I expect today's candle to close. And it's kind of tricky today, and I want to explain what you see on the charts. If you've been following along with me, you may notice a few different lines, but let's talk about them for a minute. So I have a anchored VWAP from these lows, a anchored VWAP from the recent swing low. I have an anchored VWAP from all-time highs before the crash, and a year-to-date anchored VWAP, which is a blue line. So in a nutshell, we're above, obviously, the recent VWAPs. Expected, I would say, as we've just been making higher lows and higher highs since then. And then we're pulling back to the yearly VWAP, and so this is where I would expect price to bounce, in my opinion. So I do like the bullish scenario for the day, looking for the anchored VWAP for the year to hold, but we're also dipping below the all-time highs anchored VWAP. So it's like it's a WAP sandwich, I guess is what I want to call it. And so that being said, it's kind of a level I'm looking to see hold, but we're down quite a bit already on the day. So the question is the trend going to stay true for the day? So it's a tricky day, but I have a plan for both sides. So let's go ahead and break it down as far as what we can do. So a few things before we pull up the other quick hits charts. I want to show your attention over to this. Here is my monthly volume profiles. You can see this orange area that I have boxed off right here. I got a different color right here. That's from this HVA. It's a node. It's the smallest one of them, but it is a node. And right where this orange box gets bigger is right where we start to get into the last month's peak. So this is, in a nutshell, all you have to really acknowledge is this a spot where I expect price to hold, right? This is a spot where I want to see it actually hold and start to turn around and then maybe come back and retest point of control. So if we're starting to hold here or potentially bounce, I want to show you the day's volume profile as well. So also some things worth noting today. So this is, since the open last night, this is today's volume profile right here, right? Oh, and actually it just changed. As I was getting ready to talk to y'all, volume profile was right here. And the reason that was important is because, as price was oscillating here, we came down, and then as price just went sideways here. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry, sneeze. I'm pretty sure my kids try to give me a cold. All right, back at it. So here was a point of control, and it held and bounced, rallied up to about the weekly VWAP, and also this HVA, and got rejected. And we bounced off it another time. And you can see, since it's been oscillating, we're right at the point of control, which is at 40.57. So what I'm going to do now is actually adjust something as well. And the reason I put all this out is because basically this is the largest volume for the day down here and the largest volume for the day up here, or it was, but now it's obviously in the middle. So let's go ahead and get this real quick. All right, so what I have shaded out right here is these levels. I'll actually see if I can bring both up. And then I will do this and pin. Okay, I just will be able to draw. So basically this little node right here, I put this orange box on it. You can see how my crosshairs match it. And then I put one up here at this one. That's what this orange box is up here, is this node. I'll probably adjust point of control. I'll probably draw one right there so I'm aware of it. But in a nutshell, this is my plan for the day. Which direction to take it. So I do like the idea of that support holding for a swing trade, right? Which is right here. And we are starting to get rotations, like a lot of buys off this level. But we do have to acknowledge that there is HVA here. So basically, what I want to do, for me anyways, I would personally like to see price rally through VWAP and a 30-minute 21 EMA. It may even tap here and then pull back, and then I'll go bullish at that point, looking for the overall trend to go up. Now, what if price doesn't hit up here and go higher? If price oscillates up here and then we start to get sell signals again and it wants to roll over and go down at VWAP, I'll consider going short there, looking for price to continue lower. It's kind of a tricky spot because larger time frame, the support should hold right here. So I'm going to be a little bit more cautious reading the market internals to see if I should go short. But I mean, the overall trend is short right now, or down. So I do think being reading the market internals may be a pretty good tell as well, because you can see how we've hit it this 3 times already, and then and we're already down at this large 40-50 level on the ES. So we'll have to wait and see. Am I actually? Do you know what? I'm going to change that up a little bit. Let's be disciplined. We don't have to start Monday all crazy. So here we'll go bullish scenario. Price pushes up through the 30 minutes, 21 EMA and VWAP. Maybe hit up here, maybe not. Come up to about right here, pull back, boom, take it up. Now the bearish scenario, we're going to be a little more conservative. That way I don't want to be over crazy. Acknowledging that support is down here, support, and the HVA levels right. Acknowledging that, and also the year-to-date VWAP is down here. Year-to-date VWAP. So acknowledging that, I think potentially for the short side, if that is something that's going to end up playing out, then waiting for a flush, let it hit it one more time, let it rally, we get sell signals, and then take it back down. Because maybe it'll go down then. But there's a lot of support below us at the moment, so I think it's going to be a tricky time. We'll have to see how it plays out though. But that's the plan of attack. Hope you found it helpful, and have an awesome start to your week, everyone. See you again tomorrow. Take care.